Hello, this is Nate, and I'm going to teach you how to sound just like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Step 1. The first step is you gotta get your whole slicked back like he did in Terminator. Grab some weights, weight lift. Get some creatine, protein powder, Arnold approved. Step 2. Second step is, after you get some exercise, get your heart going, put some badass Terminator glasses on, and then think, I'm the Terminator, 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 Step 3. Step 3 is, you gotta watch 4 Arnold Schwarzenegger's movies back to back. Me, I'm watching Terminator, Terminator 2, The Predator, and Jingle All the Way. That's all for step 3. Step 4 is you take everything you put together and then you meditate. I am Arnold. 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 And then you sound just like Arnold. And you can use this to try getting clubs if you dress up like Arnold. Also, it helps you with a badass leather jacket that I don't have right now. And you go back with your friends and go around and be like, hey, give me your shoes, your boots, and your motorcycle. And of course, you can like prank call people and be like, hey, what you doing? Yeah, he's Arnold. Your refrigerator. And of course, it probably won't help you be a badass actor because there's only one Arnold Schwarzenegger. But this trick could be pretty fun. So you guys are try it at home. Alright, peace. Bye.